Love the styling ease and classic looks of scrunchies, but difficult to find the right colors? Inspired by your feedback, I'll show you how to mix and match a couple of ways of doing colors to customize your scrunchies specifically just for you. Welcome, ladies. As my own gray hair has continued to lighten over the years to an almost pure white, I've simply reworked what I had or incorporated lighter colors along my gray-haired journey. Whether you're dark or light or anything in between, putting 2 or 3 different colors together solves the problem fast and easy. And with a little face paint and the right brush, your choices are limitless. And here's a little video to show you what I mean. I have a white and a taupe scrunchie of approximately the same size, and I'm just going to blend them together by putting one through the other and then just pulling strands until everything looks the way I want. Next, these are all the scrunchie colors I've taken apart. Pull through and then just wrap around a scrunchie. You could use 2 colors, 3 colors, or 4 colors with this method. And sometimes I sew a couple of colors together like I have with this one, a black and white, and now I'm adding taupe to it. And I can do the same thing with adding just a row. And now a little bit of face paint. This is black on a white scrunchie with that particular brush, and it gives terrific little streaks. You can color to your heart's content using taupes and browns and golden colors, whatever colors you want. And for those looking for sources, here are a few of the many that are available on Amazon. Short and curly gives a tighter volume for you, and it's great for short or finer hair. Longer and curved gives a softer shape and better suited for hair that has some length. And for further coloring, try the face paint hack for instant custom highlights or lowlights with the perfect brush and water-based face paint, which is also available on Amazon. And by the way, the water-based face paint, that's a tongueful, I can tell you, is so easy to wash out. It's perfect, and yet it wears really well. Thanks for sharing your time with me today, ladies. I hope this video has given you some good ideas on how to conquer the color issue. And check out my other one from the vault. The link is in the show notes below. And just an aside, check out this frizzy hair that was in the state that it was in just before I was scheduled to do this filming for you. Simple solutions are wonderful, aren't they? I just whipped it up into one of these classic updos with a scrunchie in less than 4 minutes. And in the next video, I'm going to show you a quick way to remove the bulk from scrunchies that simply are too thick for your fine or thin hair. And be sure to leave your thoughts and questions in the comments so I can better serve what you're looking for. Smart, simple styling for real life. We'll see you next time.